Hello guys, hope all of you are doing well. Welcome to my YouTube channel viewers. Uh, my YouTube channel name is Civil Engineering General Knowledge. Please requested to please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Guys, it will motivate me your subscription to make better videos in future. Thank you guys. Guys, in this session I'm also want to discuss a new topic, RCC slab and all types of slab and calculation of steel quantity on the slab and all these things. We'll discuss it here one by one. We'll jump on it. What is RCC slab? Guys, a reinforced concrete slab is one of the most important components in a building. It is a structural element of modern buildings. Slabs are supported on column and beams. Guys, here cost of RCC slab. Guys, cost of RCC slab for 2000 square feet for thickness of 5" and cement ratio, concrete ratio is 1:4. Approximate cost is 3 lakhs or 150 per square feet. 150 per square feet the unit cost for 2000 square feet for 5" thickness of the slab. The cost is 3 lakhs. Guys, including the material, labors and MS steel bars. Guys, what is the minimum thickness of RCC slab? A minimum thickness of slab on the ground. UBS recommends minimum thickness of concrete floor slab supported directly on the ground to be 89 mm, whereas BCGA 4010A apply structural principles to the residential low-rise construction determined minimum thickness to be 100 mm. Guys, this question many times asked in the exam interview question. What is the minimum thickness of slab for RCC? It is 100 mm. 100 mm is equal to 10 centimeter. What is minimum thickness of slab? 100 mm. Guys, jump to another part. How many types of RCC slabs are there? 4 different types. We have 4 different types of slab. There are 4 different types of concrete flat slabs. Slab without drop and column without column head, capital. Slab with drop and column without column head. Slab with drop and column with column head. Slab with drop and column with column head. Guys, we have another subcategories of slab: one-way slab, two-way slab. This is also keep in your mind. Guys, calculation of steel quantity for the slab. This is our main topic to discuss about quantity of steel in slab. Obtain slab dimension, reinforcement details from design drawing. Compute number of steel bars. Here's our design, guys. Types and arrangement of steel bars in one-way slab. This is a one-way slab design. Guys, this is the section of the slab. We have cut section AA. This from here we cut and we see this direction. Something like this looks like This is the LD development length. Guys, this is section BB. We cut this slab from here and see this direction, this portion, all this portion. Guys, main steel bars. This is the main steel bars and distribution steel bars. Guys, we have all the dimensions we get for the calculation from the design drawing, and compute it to the formula and get the final result for the calculation. Guys, main steel bars, number of bars. This is the formula for the main bars. Slab length L divide by spacing plus 1. This is the formula for number of bars in the main bar, number of bars in the main steel bars. Shrinkage and temperature steel bar, number of bars equal to slab length divide by spacing plus 1. This is the equation for shrinkage and temperature steel bars. Guys, in equation number 1, center to the center spacing of main reinforcement steel bars are used, and shrinkage and temperature bar spacing is used in equation number 2. Guys, this is our slab design. We have this is L, this dimension is S, denoted by S. Calculate cutting length for main steel bars. Guys, we have the equation number 3 here. Cutting length is equal to clear span plus LD plus inclined length plus 2 times 45-degree bend. This is the equation for cutting length of main steel bars. Shrinkage temperature bars. Guys, for shrinkage cutting length is clear cover clear span plus LD plus inclined length and plus 2 times 45-degree bend. The equation is this. Just introduce this terms here. What is LD? LD is development length, which is illustrated in figure number 2. This is figure this is LD. This is LD development length. Inclined length can found from the following expression. Inclined length is equal to 0.45 D. What is D? D is the slab thickness minus 2 concrete cover minus bar diameter. Guys, this is clear span. We denote it by L. Guys, this is the slab thickness. D is the slab thickness. This is the bottom, this is the top of concrete. This is the clear cover, this is the LD, this is the H, and this is plus LD. Bent up bar and slab. This is showing the bent up bar and slab. Guys, convert that length into the kilograms or newtons. Because the steel bars are ordered by the weight, the same equation used for the both main and shrinkage temperature reinforcement, but corresponding cutting length, number of bars and bar diameter is used. Main steel bars is equal to number of bars into cutting length into weight of steel bar, D square divided by 162. Equation, this is number 5. What is D square upon 162? This is the weight of steel bar per meter. is the weight of the steel, which is derived from steel volume time and density, which is 7850 kilogram per meter cube. Guys, this is the equation. This is the density of steel. It's much important, many times asked in exam. Density of steel 7850 kilogram per meter cube. Guys, let's jump on